Okay, so now we're moving on to the theme section, and really, if you watched the plugins video just previously, this is really no different when it comes to themes. So in order to access your themes, you head over to Appearance and Themes, and if you've been following this video step by step, you should already have the Hello theme installed right here because we did it previously. And once again, just like a plugin, a theme is a done-for-you set of system and procedures which a third party has very nicely developed, whether it's paid or free. It depends on the theme, but the theme is basically a done-for-you style guide for your website. Now, what you can see here is the Hello theme is actually a minimalistic theme, which means there's practically nothing in it. Okay, and there's a very good reason why I've chosen this theme for you, and I use this theme to build websites which are worth thousands of pounds, because it allows you to just do everything from scratch, combined with Elementor that we briefly covered before. But what you can see is if you want to have a look at done for you themes, all you got to do is click on Themes, Add New, and then you've got a huge list of done for you themes where you can literally, let's just go to popular, and let's go ahead and do Astra. It's another very popular theme, and you can click on it and it will actually give you a preview of what sort of design style it's going to give you. Let's just click on the X and let's click on this one, and you can see it's all being structured fairly differently. Okay, and again, we'll just click on that and let's go ahead and do this one, and you can see it's all very different. And if you wanted to install it, well, very simply go ahead and click the install button like that, wait for it to do its thing, click activate, and then there you go. And if we go to the front of the website, you can see now that design's changed. Let's go back and activate Hello theme, click activate there, and you can see it says active. Click here, refresh the page, and there you go, the design's changed again. And if you want to delete a theme, which ideally you're only going to be using one theme, so you might as well just get rid of all the other themes. So you'll click on the theme, click delete. Okay, now that's gone, and click on if you've got another one, click delete, and now that's gone. And there you go. Now, just like plugins, if you wanted to install a theme that's not available on the WordPress theme directory that's already linked to your site, go ahead and click add new, upload theme, and then very simply, just like the WordPress plugins, you would just drag the file there or choose your file and click install, go to themes, and then activate it, and boom, you will then have that theme. And that's really it. Now, one important thing with themes is that if you buy a theme, usually these themes will come with plugins. Okay, so because a lot of themes are actually built to work specifically with specific types of plugins, because it gives them the extra functionality. So they kind of give it you as a bundle. So yeah, so if you do buy a theme, then that theme may require the installation for the plugins. So you just got to watch out for that, because sometimes it can cause an issue if you're just trying to drag one folder in when really you've got an overall folder, and then you've got the folder for the theme and you've got the folder for the plugin. But it's really not a big thing at all, and it's very, very easy to do. So if you bought a theme and you're like, oh, why isn't this installing? Why does it keep failing? That could be the reason why. That's themes. That's everything you need to know. And now we're going to move on to understanding pages and posts.